You must have heard about intermittent fasting, right? Intermittent fasting has now become the most popular diet plan in the world. People have got results from it, and that is why some people have made it a part of their life. Admirers of intermittent fasting claim that it can boost metabolism and potentially extend your lifespan too. Hit the subscribe button and press the like button. The most important thing, click on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any video from the Holistic Collective. You might also want to check out our affiliate products in the description. I'm sure you'll love it. Now is the time to clear all your doubts related to intermittent fasting. Don't skip anything and keep watching till the end for a thorough understanding. The part day method. The part day method is one of the several methods of intermittent fasting, famously called the 16:8 method. In this method, it is not about sticking to a diet plan, but it is about eating at the right time. It is called the 16:8 because it involves fasting for 16 hours a day continuously and restricting your eating period to 8 hours. In these 8 hours, you can have 2 to 3 or even 4 meals. In the fasting window, you can rely on some healthy fluids and opt for water too, to satisfy your hunger, of course. And the best part is that you will lose fat while in your sleep. It is not difficult to follow this diet plan. It could be as simple as skipping your breakfast and starting to eat after lunch. This is the best plan for all those you who wake up late in the morning. You don't just have to eat anything after dinner and skip breakfast. This is how simple it is. Benefits of the 16:8 fasting. As it is a very popular diet plan, it has caught the attention of researchers. They have been studying the 16:8 fasting for decades now, and some studies have shown that this diet could have several benefits. Some of them are help in weight and fat loss. It can help in the prevention of diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart diseases, and some cancers. Potentially extend lifespan, helps you in feeling energetic and improves productivity. Fasting and weight loss. Eating during a particular diet window helps to control calories intake, leading to a calorie deficit and fat loss. This may also boost your metabolism. All this leads to weight loss. According to popular dietitian Jamie Rose Chambers, intermittent fasting can help with belly fat loss. Fasting and diabetes. Intermittent fasting is not suggested for those who are already dealing with diabetes. It would be better to talk to your doctor before taking any action. However, people who are not diagnosed with this condition can practice intermittent fasting, as it may reduce their chances of getting diabetes. Fasting and gut health. There is a lot of research that is animal based. However, recently some of the research that was tried on humans stating that intermittent fasting helps in decreasing the bacteria level in the gut and improves overall gut health. Isn't that great? Opinions of scientists on intermittent fasting. Scientists have researched it for over a decade now. However, most of the researchers are in favor of intermittent fasting. A study of 2017 states that intermittent fasting leads to a better weight loss and faster fat loss in men with obesity than the calorie deficit method. In a study of 2018, it was highlighted that the 16:8 fasting method has helped adults dealing with hypertension and obesity. There are too many benefits to ignore intermittent fasting. The risk involved in intermittent fasting. There are some known side effects and risks associated with intermittent fasting, so it shouldn't be practiced by anyone and everyone. Side effects like tiredness and hunger in the beginning, overeating unhealthy food in the 8-hour eating window because of excessive hunger. Moreover, it shouldn't be practiced by those who are trying to conceive, mothers who practice breastfeeding, those who have a history of depression or eating disorders, and young children. How to do it? Intermittent fasting is not difficult. Compared to other dieting exercises, it is a piece of cake. It is called the easiest because we already fast for 10 to 12 hours even without realizing it. However, adding a few more hours would not create many problems. There are many plans through which you can follow intermittent fasting. Here are the top rated ones. First option. This option is preferred for breakfast lovers, morning birds, and those who love to exercise in the morning. Keep the eating period between 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Have breakfast at 7 a.m. Keep it light, having a bowl of oats with some berries, nuts, and fruits. You can have a cup of low-fat plain yogurt and sliced banana for snacks. For an early lunch, you can have your favorite vegetables on slices of multigrain bread. And if you go for a late lunch, having a chicken breast cooked with olive oil or any vegetable curry with a small bowl of brown rice will be great. Now, start fasting at 3 p.m. for the next 16 hours, that is 7 a.m. Second option. This option is preferred for people who wake up late and those who are in the habit of skipping breakfast. Keep the eating period between 10:30 a.m. and 6:30 p.m. Have breakfast at 10:30 a.m. with some nuts and berries sprinkled on porridge or oats with low-fat milk. Try to keep your diet simple and low in fat. You can also try the avocado toast with slices of multigrain bread for breakfast. And for some protein intake, you can add boiled eggs to your diet. Have a lunch of brown rice with chickpeas curry and a bowl of leafy salad. With afternoon tea, try eating a bowl of mixed colorful fruits with some berries. And for an early dinner, try steamed chicken breast and Thai curry with some brown rice. And for our vegetarian viewers, you can opt for tofu or cottage cheese curry with brown rice. Some tips for intermittent fasting. Try following these tips so that you won't fail in your fasting journey. Be realistic with your goals. Everything takes some time. Try to stay consistent. Drink more healthy fluids through your day and keep your body hydrated by drinking at least 2.5 liters of water. Nothing can help you with your weight loss if you don't follow the calorie deficit method. Try avoiding overeating. If you follow this diet plan, it will bring changes to your lifestyle. And as a famous quote goes, the groundwork for all happiness is good health. So, lead a healthy life with intermittent fasting. And as we at the Holistic Collective always say, avoid stress, eat right, sleep well, and what was the last one? Yep, you guessed it right. Never forget to smile.